This is our group. Our group consists of Ian Reed, Kanan Francisco, and myself, Corbin McGurr. The first section we will be covering is changing views of the universe.
Until 1500, European views were shaped by Ptolemy Aristotle. In 1546, Nicholas Copernicus wrote Revolution of Copernicus. This book would state that it is at the center of the universe. He created the theory that the sun is at the center of the universe and that the Earth is just one of the many other planets that revolve around it. Although he was partly right, they still denied him.
A new scientific method. Based on observing and experimenting, there was a new approach towards science. Two people that made a big impact in this revolution was Francis Bacon, which is on the left, and René Descartes, which is on the right. Francis Bacon wanted science to make better lives for people by newer technologies. René Descartes used science to gain more knowledge of the future. They used hypotheses to help in their scientific methods.
Breaking through in medical and chemistry. During the 15 and 1600s, major discoveries and new ideas were being made. In 1543, the very first accurate book on human anatomy was published. It was called On the Structure of the Human Body, written by Aristotle. Also in 1540, Hare, a French physicist, introduced the new properties limbs. Present-day chemistry was called alchemy in medieval times, and they mainly studied the manipulation of metals and acids.
Isaac Newton, links to sciences. Isaac Newton was a student of Cambridge Trinity College. Newton actually studied for a degree in law. By the time he was 28, he made the new theory, Newton's law. His theory was an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion. One of Newton's laws is used today in calculus. He was also elected as a member of Parliament in 1700.